Alright, you're welcome to another masterclass with Tech Plus Money, where I'll be teaching you how to generate image to video with a few little steps using a ChatGPT AI and a Google Flow AI. All you need is your phone or a laptop and a good internet connection. And if you have this ready, let's dive into my ChatGPT, where I already have my script idea and picture prompt and video prompt ready. So as you can see here, I have all the picture prompt for all the scene and the video dialogue. So I've already created the pictures on our first class. So on this part, I'm going to dive in and copy a video dialogue for scene 2, which is God bridge exercise. So I'll head over to my browser. After copying that, then I'll type in the Google Flow AI. That is where we'll be generating our video from. So you type in the Google Flow AI, as you can see it here, and you wait for it to load up, because we're going to use this to generate our video. Here it is. You're going to log in with an email, and after that it will bring you to this interface. Here, when you come to this interface, then you're going to click on a new project. Then you wait for it to load, so you can upload your picture from the plus sign there. Then you choose your file location. You go to gallery or your file where you save it. So you click and upload your picture that I'll be using for the video. Now I have my picture here for the God bridge. Then here I have to instruct Google Flow AI on what to do. Basically, I'm just going to use a simple prompt to tell this Google Flow AI to generate a video of a woman doing a God bridge exercise with reference to the picture above. This is very important because this is going to determine how your character and how the video will look. There are better prompts that you can use. There are pro prompts that you can use for this, but I'm just using this to show you an example. Then after entering the prompt and explaining everything you want Google Flow AI to do with your picture, that is the outcome of the video you're going to get, then you are going to check for the size. If it is for YouTube, which is 16 by 9, if you click there, you'll see it 16 by 9. Then you go ahead, confirm that, and you click on that arrow to generate the video. Then you wait for it, and you see that Google Flow AI is going to use the image to generate a video of a woman doing the God bridge exercise. But it looks like my internet is slow, so I'm going to refresh the page and wait for it to see if it's going to work this time. But hopefully it's going to take some seconds, and it's going to generate our first image to video. So you can see how simple it is. Now it has scaled our image up for production. In some seconds our video will be ready for use, and you can use this video for a YouTube channel, social media presentation. Yeah, you can also sell it as a digital product on our Payhip and Brandbase and other digital selling platforms. As you can see, our video is ready, so go ahead and play it and see how it's going to look. So I'm going to hit play. And one more thing, you can generate only 2 videos with Google Flow AI for a day, but you can sign in other accounts to generate more videos. Just create different emails and sign up. Our video is ready, so you click and hold on the video to say hit download. Then you wait for it to bring you here. Then you hit downloaded. You click on it and you wait for it. You will see it on your search bar down below, right there. You click on it, you go to downloads, you open it, and it should be the top most video there. You click open it, You see the video, it's already ready. So you save it to your gallery or to your file folder, and then this is the outcome of the video, the first video, the cut bridge. Then we also have the second video that we generated, which is a donkey kick, and we also have other videos that we have generated, like the squad and the fire hydra. And these videos can be used for a faceless YouTube channel or an Instagram post or TikTok or wherever is. You can sell each clip as a digital product too. So feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for more.